Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 3 of class 7th. We are going to do the book exercise in the textbook and the question and answers in the notebook. So first one, identify the answer based on the clues. First one we have helps to summarize the data. It is pivot table. So write PIVOT pivot TABLE table. Second one displays the error message. It is invalid data. INVALID DATA data. Third one help to insert a new record in a form. It is edit option. EDIT edit OPTION option. Fourth one allows to arrange in descending or ascending order. It is sorting option. SORTING sorting OPTION option. Next we have state whether the given statements are true or false. Filtering display the data that meets the given criteria. It is true. Next, data form is used to specify the type of data that can be entered in a cell. It is false. Third one, the subtotal command can be used to outline the worksheet in several ways. It is also true. Fourth one, pivot table can be inserted in a new worksheet or existing worksheet. It is true. Coming to page 41, we have this is a dialog box that displays one complete record from the list at a time. Its answer is data form. So take the C1. Next, identify the wildcard character that is used to represent a single character while specifying criteria to search a record. It is B1. Next, third, this is used to outline the worksheet. It is subtotal A. Coming to the answer to the following questions, you have to do in the notebook. What is a data form? Page number 40. Mark here. A data form is a dialog box that displays one complete record from the list at a table. Okay. Next, in Excel 2010, where can we find the filter command? You have to write the answer from here. We can find the filter command into filter data, page number 34. Open page number 34. Now from here write select data tab and click filter button from the sort and filter group. The drop down arrows will appear in the header of each column. This is the answer number 2. Next, answer number 3. How can we create an error alert in data validation? Page number 37. Open page number 37. The answer is steps to set an error alert message are select error alert tab in the data validation window. Tick the checkbox of the show error alert after invalid data is entered. Enter a title in the text box below title. Enter an input message in the text box below error message. Set the style stop. Click OK button. This is answer number 3. Next, when can we use subtotal? So answer is on page number 40. The subtotal command can be used to outline the worksheet in several ways. So children, you have to complete chapter number 3 question answers in your notebook and the book exercise in the textbook only. So complete your work and learn it. Thank you.